Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate the Burroughs Wheels Aligner. It is an alignment tool for sequence alignment. So first we have to search BWA tool on Google. So here is the GitHub site for the source code. So let's download the code. So it is downloaded. Okay. So first we have to install this tool, and followed by we have to make the index or the genome. So first we have to install it. Let extract. So let's see. Let's open the terminal. Check the list. So to install it, we have to just run make. So now it is installing in my system. Okay, the installation process is done. So let's check the list again. So here you can see the executable BWA file. So now you can just run it /BWA and press enter. So you can see the command, the uses of this alignment tool. So for alignment, you just need 3 files. First, the genome FASTA. So here I am using the Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast genome, and we also have the FASTQ file of cerevisiae forward and reverse. So first we have to make the index, genome index. For that, let's go to the terminal and BWA. Then we have to write index followed by the FASTA file. So here our FASTA file is in the download directory, and we are doing the terminal in this directory. So let's // then it's come the cerevisiae. Just press enter. Now it is building the index file for the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Let's check it into the folder. So it is creating the index where the FASTA file is located. Okay, then we have the forward and reverse read. Let's run it. To run it, we have to just BWA followed by one method called MEM. Okay, then we have to add the FASTA file, genome FASTA file. So here is double dot and slash, then serifc.faster. Then we have to add the forward and reverse read. So dot dot slash read 1 forward and similarly read 1 reverse. Now you have to just add this. Then next you have to add g zip and 3 compression, and then you have to add the file name, same file name, align dot sam dot gz. So it is the total script for sequence alignment. Let's press enter. So it is running now. Okay, now it is done. Let's check it, the file. So the file was generated inside the BWA folder. So here is the output file. So it is only 333 MB. Let's unzip it. So now you can see that 1.3 GB of align output is here. So that's it. If it is helpful, please hit the like button and comment it is working for you, and please subscribe if you wish to learn bioinformatics with me.